Okay, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to massage if your bottom of your feet is hurt. Then I show you how to massage. Okay, you massage, and right here, the this is your bone right here. This is your bone, and massage behind the bone. This right here, you can feel the muscle. This is muscle. You can massage this one. I use this is stress relief body lotion, and because I know that you massage this muscle, you will relieve the bottom of your feet. It's the bottom of your feet is hurting. The massage this muscle like this, because it's already bottom of my feet is hurting. So I massage this like this, then it heal, because this muscle go to your bottom of your feet. Then just massage as much you can. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. The longer you do is the better. Just like this. Just press down or press down. Because this is your bone. Behind here, you can feel a muscle. So I already did try it. It's helping me. That's why I videoed this one to show you guys. Whoever hurt your bottom of your feet, that's how you do. You can feel the muscle. Like this, massage like this. That I already healed. So that's why I'm gonna show you guys how to heal yourself. Okay? Here you can feel your muscle right here between your bone. Okay? Do like this. You can use some kind of lotion or massage lotion. I just use the stress relief, and that's how I just massage myself. It's when I have pain on my bottom on my feet, that's how I do. Just massage this one, your muscle here down, all the way down. Just kind of press to your veins. This is the big vein travel to your feet, okay? And just keep doing. Just relax, really relax. Make your muscle really soft, then just press it like this. Ya mamone ya masuk, ya mamone lokasi tahu massage ni na. Massage, jua jalan nya no, jadi ni lokasi tahu jong na. Cô lima mò chỉ cô tự ở trong nữa cô thêm mắc kẹt ở nè rồi nó sẽ mới cho lăng nhớ tuần đấy nó. This is your muscle right here. This. I already try it. It's already healed my bottom of my feet when I just massage a couple times. And that's what I'm gonna show you guys, okay? When you have bottom of your feet is hurt, try to massage yourself. Yo ko lo kasi ta mo che yo le no yo cho lang nhân để no che ne pa tàu tôi yo lo kasi ta chỉ mo nữa cô tự vậy cô đi rong nữa để cô thêm mất thế đó nè nên mới ít họ cho là do ít họ lotion là do ít họ massage à chỉ là giờ mới rồi đó người ta đi tay xong là thơ press your vein down press with massage oil press that is you do I only massage my feet for 2 times that I feel my feet is getting better. You can do that. You feel because you feel it, your muscles in there. You can press with your thumb, or you can do with all your finger. Just do like that. Do like that. See? Press some pressure on it. I do 2 times. It's already here. I do like a 10 minutes each time. I think the better you do is the longest you do is the better it is. Like that. You just try to listen to your body and feel your body. Này cho lăng một đôi nè cái tay này, chỉ rùa cho lăng nó ba rồi cái này xài cái tay chỉ mó dùng à. Cái này họ chịu lên tới này chỉ giờ là này muốn nó chân đi tay nó thâu. Or you don't have to use your thumb, you just pressure on your hand and do like this. This is the vein go to your bottom of your feet. I do 2 times. I already heal my bottom out. My bottom of my feet is hurt, and especially my left side is hurt more. So I massage more. I massage twice that is already healed, and that's what I want to show you guys. Rồi lên nó sẽ chơi giống cái này đó, có tới giờ rong này, có thể lên mất thịt này rồi cho lăng nhá này nó sẽ cho lăng ở nhá này, yêu sao là cho lăng nhá sao tận nó nè, right here is just the big bone, but the vein is right here, so you just massage the vein, it help you. All right, that's all. I'll see you. Bye bye. Please subscribe to my channel and try my method. It will help you. It's help you to save your life. You don't need to go a lot to the doctor. That's how I do discover myself and try to massage myself. Then it's healed, so you don't need to go to the doctor, right? Thank you for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.